Welcome to Tech Notice. In this video we're gonna do an ultimate budget Bluetooth speaker sound test. Let's get into it. So in front of me I have 7 budget Bluetooth speakers. We've got 2 from the company called ZENBRE, we've got 1 from LOBKIN, EDIFIER, ANKER, ICOOX and BASSPAL. So I have made a review of all of these separately, so you can check it out in the description below if you want to know individually what do these sound like and what kind of specifications and stuff like that. You can find them in the section below. So now the sound test. I've got to tell you something about the sound test because it's important. Now it is nearly impossible for you to listen to the real sound what these Bluetooth speakers sound like over this video. However I'm recording this and however you're listening to, there's gonna be some modifications of the sound and compression of the sound which is not real. So actually giving you the sound what it sounds like for real and what it actually you can hear with your own ear is impossible. But this sound test is actually comparing these speakers to each other. So you'll hear the same settings throughout the whole test with all these separate Bluetooth speakers. So how did I do this test? Well, first of all, I put a Bluetooth speaker over here and I had it from about a foot from my Zoom H1, which I have in my pocket over here, and I was recording with this. The Zoom H1 had the same settings with all of the Bluetooth speakers. Also, all of the Bluetooth speakers were played with maximum volume, just so you can hear which one goes louder and which one goes quieter. I have done no editing from the post. I've just literally put the audio on as it came straight from the Zoom H1, so you can actually have a bit of a difference and comparison to compare. Now, I want to mention again that this is not how they sound in the real world, because Zoom H1 has a character of the microphone, and however you're listening to your headphones, your speakers have a character as well, which means that there will be sound loss or sound modifications, as well as the YouTube compression and the sound compression when I'm exporting it through my editing software. So just take it with a grain of salt, but it gives you a comparison with the same test. What do these different budget Bluetooth speakers sound like? So anyway, enough of the test, let's jump into the test and let me know in the comment section below which one of these speakers was the winner. And hey, remember to subscribe as well if you haven't, and like the video if you haven't, so yeah, come on.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow through the sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Thanks for watching the test. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, because content like this is coming out every single week. And hit the like in the video and let me know in the comment section below what was the winner speaker.